A clay layer 8 meters thick is overlain by a 15.2 meters thick sand deposit extending to the ground surface. The water table is located 6 meters below the ground surface. The saturated unit weight of the sand is 21.2 kilonewtons per cubic meter, with a dry unit weight of 18.2 kilonewtons per cubic meter. The moisture content of the sand above the water table is 12%, and the saturated unit weight of the clay is 18.8 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Alright, interpret mo ganapin yung statement. So, meron tayong clay layer overlain by a sand. So, the sand is 15.2 meters thick to the ground surface, while the clay is 8 meters thick. The water table is 6 meters below the ground surface. Yung sand above the water surface, doon sa taas, moist sand siya. According to the problem, the moisture content of the sand above the water table is 12%. Of course, yung sand that is under the water table is a saturated sand. The saturated unit weight of the sand determined to be 21.2, or which is dry unit weight is 18.2 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay? Matanggal na meeting natin dito is the, saturated dahil nasa baba siya ng tubig. Fully saturated siya. Of course, the clay is saturated clay. Automatic, saturated yan. And the saturated unit weight of the clay is 18.8 kilonewton per cubic meters. Determine the moist unit weight of the sand. Obtain the total vertical stress at the mid-height of the clay layer. And obtain the effective vertical stress at the mid-height of the clay layer. By the way, the thickness of the saturated sand will be 15.2 minus 6. You have 9.2. And we're analyzing the mid-height of the clay layer. So, half of 8 meters is 4 meters. The moist unit weight. With a given dry density, kayo sa may binigay na dry density dito sa sand, meron tayong moisture content. And I will just use this formula. Gamma moist is 1 plus omega GS over 1 plus E gamma of water. Take note that this term, ito, GS gamma water over 1 plus E is gamma dry. That's gamma dry. So meaning, ang gamma moist is equals 1 plus omega gamma dry. 1 plus 1%, dry unit weight of the sand is 18.2. So you have the moist unit weight of the sand is 20.84. Yan ang gagamitin natin dito in calculating pressure. Obtain the vertical stress at the mid-height of the clay layer. Ang stress is just the summation of gamma height. Gamma is height from here to here, gamma is height from here to here, and gamma is height from here to here. Yan unang pusa. Ang sinabing total vertical stress, that is disregarding the water content. So, total vertical stress, ito yung gagawin niyo sa total vertical stress. So, dito, it is a moist unit weight of 20.384 gamma times height. O pressure pa yan dito. Punta tayo dito sa baba. Plus, gamma saturated. Saturated yung gagamitin below water surface, water table. Gamma saturated times 9.2. Dito, saturated 18.8 times 4. Again, huwag mong isamplan ang gamma water. Basta total vertical stress. 392.5 EPA. Ang sinabing effective vertical stress, that is now, in general, that is the total vertical stress minus the pore water pressure. So, mayroon dyan, o din natin gawing buo, kunin mo yung height to the mid-height. 9.2 plus 4, that will be 13.2. Effective stress is the total minus dito. Ang pore water pressure is gamma of water times the height of water from the water table to the mid-height. So that's 13.2. 263.052.